Hello, I'm Ramin Saranaka, and in this video we are going to discuss the question set 32, and let's get into it. We are continuing the series we started in the previous video in the question set 31, as you can see right here. And on this video of discussing the question set 32. On the first question, we have to it says that we have to create the product table. So let's go ahead and create it. So here we have the product table. On the first column we have the product ID, which is int, and also the primary key and has auto increment. Then we got product name, which is a varchar that consists of 45 characters, and lastly we got description, which is text with 100 characters. And there you go. In the next question we have to create the brand table. So let's go ahead and create it. Brand. On the first column we have the brand ID, which is int and is the primary key and has auto increment. Then we got brand name, which is a varchar of 45 characters, and then we got the GRN table. So let's go ahead and create it. In the first column we have the GRN ID, and then we have the so the GRN ID is the primary key and has auto increment. Then we have the GRN date, which is the data type is date type, which has the data type of date type. And there you go. And on the fourth question we have the GRN item table, on the first column we have the quantity, and then we have the unit price column, which has the data type double, and we got selling price next, which also has the data type double. And on to the fifth question, we have to create the stock table. On the first column we have the stock ID, which is the primary key of the table and has auto increment. And then we got quantity, which has the data type int. And then we have the selling price column, which has the data type double. And then we got the invoice table. On the sixth question, on the first column we have the invoice ID, which is the primary key of that table and has auto increment. And then we got date. The data type of it is date type. And lastly, on the last question, we have the invoice item table. So on the first column we have the invoice item ID, which is the primary key of the table and has auto increment. And then we got quantity, which has the primary key, which has the data type int. And there you go, we have created the tables in the diagram according to the question set 32. And that's it for this video. Let's meet again in the next video of answering the question set 33, the continuation of the series. And thank you for watching.